Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use Sew Surface command, Sew Surface 3D command used in CATIA, and Sew Surface command is very important. Then guys, CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today you can see here we will learn Sew surface command. Sew surface command is a boolean operation combination. Then any material is remove and add material, and this is a Sew surface command is use a material is remove. And okay, at first open a CATIA software interface and then use a Sew surface command. Okay, this our 3D parts is this a wood. Okay, this is good look you can see here, and this is a wood, and this wood part is a use a this command is Sew command. Sew surface command is use. Okay, this face is select here and sketch any spline. Okay, and exit, and some use a wireframe and surface design sometime use, and some this point is okay, and again use a parts. Okay, but only this part is drawing, this surface is drawing use a wireframe and surface use, and again we will again this is a this part is a good looking, and this is a use a Sew surface. Okay, this is a Sew surface 3D command use this wood 3D model, and at first object to sew. Okay, this surface is click here. Okay, and face to remove, and any face to remove, then this arrow is downward means this face is remove, okay, this line is a hide. Okay, and this is a good. Okay, and this looking here. Okay, and again okay, and this is undo is okay, these parts. Okay, and again use a Sew surface, this face is click here, and this arrow is downward means this arrow is upward, and face is remove, this face is remove. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and again this split and this Sew surface is both is similar, but some is X. Okay, again undo. Okay, this is a this place Sew surface is use first object sieve and face is removed, but this is a click here at this surface is, and this surface is used, and this is face is upward, means this face is removed here, and this is a downward, and this face is removed here. Okay, and this face is not click, but a split. Use a split command, then select a this face, and similar this face, this arrow is downward, means this face is removed here. Okay, again, and this select here, this is a downward, means this is a downward, means this face is removed here, and this is upward, means okay, this face is removed here. Okay, this quality is very important, but sieve surface is not all body is hide. This is not facility to available in all body is hide. Okay, and this is a undo. Sieve surface is not click. Okay, sieve surface is only this surface is removed and this surface is removed one by one, but a split command is used. This surface is removed, this surface is removed, and all body is also removed. Okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon. CATIA sieve surface command today discuss here, and sieve surface and split surface is almost similar, but sieve surface is one by one. Sieve surface is upper part and lower part is one by one is removed, but split is upper part and lower part is one by one is removed, but all body is removed, all body is also removed. Facility is available, but sieve surface is only one by one, upper part also remove and lower part also remove. Okay, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.